We got a whole tomahawk. Oh, smell that thing. I'm gonna wrap the tomahawk part in tin foil.
Looks like a lobster.
So I made a table that can go on my tripod by putting a 1 inch by 1 inch Arca plate, screwing it into it, and then it mounts just like my cameras do. I can have a level table wherever I go. I'm just gonna make a tin foil boat. Grass-fed butter. Yeah. See if this thing is rare, just how me and Eli like it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's raw. I'm gonna go put this back on the fire. So apparently, you cook them in the fire, they become really brittle. That was a lie. Oh, just kidding.
Maybe not.
Look at that.
Insanity.
Oh, holy shit. This is unreal. Best lobster I've ever had. Fat cap's cooked. And a bunch of that butter. Give her a try. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Absolutely delicious.